up? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello, I'm Sheetal. I make beauty and lifestyle related videos on YouTube, and I post 3 videos a week, that is on Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please go subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And now coming back to today's video. So as you must have read the title already. So in today's video, we are gonna do an Ajio haul. So I ended up buying few things from Ajio, not few but moderate amount of things from Ajio. And yeah, like I thought of doing a haul. Also, this haul is gonna be very affordable. Like few items, the prices of few items are so low and they are the quality and the look is so good. So yeah, if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So yeah guys, all the prices and the sizes I bought the clothing pieces in will be mentioned on the screen below, and I'll put up a video over here so that you can take a clear and closer look to each and every item. And now let's start with the first clothing item, and we'll start with top wears first. So in top wear I got this particular t-shirt over here that I'm wearing. So it's a very nice bottle green color t-shirt and it has white stripes on it. So I had the similar t-shirt in pink color previously, and yeah, I quite liked it and I thought of getting another color in this. So yeah, the fit is really good. I'm in this size small in this one, and yeah, the material is not that summer friendly, but I'm that kind of person. If a top or anything, any clothing item looks cute, I don't mind the material sometimes. So yeah, it is a very synthetic rayon like material. So yeah, if you are allergic to such materials, then yeah, stay away from that. And other than that, the top looks really cool. And yeah, it's very summer friendly and can create a very different, we can create very different looks with this. So yeah, this is the first thing that I got. Okay, so moving on to the next thing that I got, and which you must have already seen in the video that I created with my mom. So in that video I was wearing this particular top. It's not really a top, it's a sweatshirt. It's by Team Spirit, and it's this very beautiful lilac colored sweatshirt. It has the drop shoulder kind of thing. So I know it's not a sweat shirt kind of weather, but the color is so cute, so beautiful and so trendy right now. So that's why I got this. It is very beautiful, really comfortable, and I got this in the size medium because I love oversized sweatshirts. If you can relate, then please let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, I like oversized sweatshirt. The material is very lightweight, and yeah, I can definitely wear it in summers, in the evening time, but other than that it is not really summer friendly. But yeah, I bought it for the color and will definitely look good in pictures. So yeah, and this one I guess I got it for 650 or 700 rupees something. So yeah, it's really good. The quality is really good, the color is pretty and very comfortable to wear. So moving on to the next clothing item that I got, and it is I guess the cheapest clothing item in the entire haul, and I guess the more, like, it's my most favorite item also. So it is this particular shirt. So it's this shirt. I'm a very shirt kind of person. I love wearing shirt because those are shirts are very airy and very comfortable to wear. I love loose shirts particularly. So it's a very rust orange colored shirt, and yeah, it has got like prints, like it is totally printed, completely printed, and this looks like this. So yeah, this shirt, I got this shirt for 175 rupees only. And it doesn't look good like this, but you can see it looks good when we pair it with the wide leg pants. So yeah, the color is very unique, it looks very beautiful and is very summer friendly. So yeah, and doesn't it give Harry Styles vibe? Like I can totally see Harry Styles vibe in this particular shirt. And like yeah, so yeah, I'm loving it a lot. Like it is very new for me, like printed shirt, but yeah, I'm loving it and the color is so beautiful. Yeah, and this will look so good in pictures. I cannot really wait to take pictures in this particular shirt. Okay, so moving on to the last top wear item that I have. So it's a very cute cotton top. It's in this yellow, lime yellow color. So you can see. And yeah, I have got a lipstick stain over here. But yeah, it's from the brand DNMX. And I'm in the size small in this one. The top is really good, not that bad. I don't really like it, and I don't really hate it. It is very see-through. It's a cotton material, like plain linen cotton material. So yeah, that's why it's a little see-through. It doesn't look that cute, but yeah, I don't really like it. But the color is very summer friendly and will look very cute if we take pictures with it. Other than that, it is okayish, I guess. So yeah, I was planning on returning it, but then I thought I got it for around 300 rupees only, and I can surely make some use out of it. So that's why I kept it. So yeah, this is the last top wear item that I had. Okay, so we are done with top wear items. Now let's move on to bottom wear. And for bottom wear, as you must have seen it in all the clips. And also I posted one picture with this pant, and a lot of girls actually DM'd me asking where I got this from. So it's a pair of wide leg denim. So it's in this navy blue color. This is again from DNMX, and I'm in the size 28 in this one. So yeah, it's very comfortable. The material is really good. It fits me perfectly, and yeah, like the color is really good, very appropriate for summer, because I like it's so hot outside right now. Like I cannot even touch my skinny jeans. I cannot even think of wearing my skinny jeans. So yeah, so if you're someone, you who wants a good wide leg pants, then you can surely check out Ajio. They have some good quality wide leg jeans and pants over there. So yeah, I really love this one. It's very, wide at the bottom, and yeah, looks very pretty and very trendy. So yeah, if you can surely give it a try. It does not have pockets at the back. That is the only drawback it has. But other than that, it looks very chic. And yeah, you can style it in too many ways. So yeah, you can surely give it a try. Now moving on to the next bottom wear item that I got. So it's a pair of trousers. So these are these checkered trousers, and yeah, it's not in a jeans material. It's very cottonish, kind of mixed cottonish kind of material. It is very comfortable, and it's very body hugging. It's kind of a legging. So yeah, and I'm in this size small in this one. It's by Fig, the brand Fig. So yeah, it looks very beautiful. I am not planning on wearing skinny jeans for the next 2-3 months. So that's why I bought such pants, which will like be very comfortable to wear outside, and like we can style it up, style it down the way we want it to. And yeah, I just plan on wearing a black or white t-shirt with it and some sneakers, and it will look so good. So yeah, these are the pants that I got. Okay, so moving on to the next bottom wear that I have. So these trousers, black trousers, and it's a very good quality black trouser. Like I'm loving the quality and the fit of it. So it is a high-waisted black trouser. I think these are called treggings if I'm not wrong. But yeah, and I'm this size medium in this one. So yeah, like it is very comfortable. It is like I got it for like just wear a t-shirt over and go outside. Like yeah, that it's very comfortable. The material is really good, and yeah, it's really good. And yeah, it's a basic pair of black trousers, and you must have a really good black trouser in your closet, and that's why I got this. And also has, I don't know if you can notice this, but it also has some detailing in the front side. So yeah, now moving on to the last pair of bottom wear that I got, and it's my most favorite. So it's a trouser again. So it's this navy blue colored trouser. So it is not really a trouser. It's kind of a formal pant. So I ended up buying a wrong size, and it's very loose for me right now. In the clip, I like tied it up from the back to make it look fit. So yeah, I mean I bought the size 30, but I should have got the size 28 in this one. But other than that, it looks really good. So like you can wear it with a shirt, white shirt, and it will give you such awesome look. So yeah, and it's very comfortable, not really summer friendly. The material it's very synthetic again. So yeah, not really summer friendly, but it looks very chic, and yeah. Okay, so we are done with top wears. Now let's move on to dresses. So I have only two dresses, and yeah, like The first dress is a very summery red floral print dress. So this is the dress. It's from the brand Duo and I'm in the size small in this one. So it looks like this. The material is again, it's like a rayon polyester kind of material. Not really summer friendly, but it looks cute, so I don't really mind it. It has these white flowers over it, so if we pair this dress with a good pair of white sneakers, it will look very beautiful. And the color and everything about this dress is so summery and will also look very good in pictures, so that's why I bought this one. It is not expensive at all. I think I got it for around 300 or 400 rupees max. So yeah, like I have no complaints about it. That's it. And moving on to the last clothing item that I have in today's video, it's a dress again, of course. So it's this very like mauvey pink, nude pink kind of a shade. It looks very beautiful. It has a net detailing and from inside it has this silk material, so it gives a very rich look, rich vibes. But the only problem, it does not fit that well. So I'm in the size small in this one, and I should have gone for extra small for the bodycon fit of it, because it is very loose on the waist area for me. So yeah, but other than that, the color is really beautiful, and you can also again dress it up, dress it down the way you want it to. If you pair this with a good pair of nude stilettos, it will look so bomb. So yeah, if you want to buy something and if you're planning on going out somewhere, then you can surely give this a try. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, give it a like. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I post 3 videos a week, that is on Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. And also hit the notification button, so whenever I post a video, you will get notified. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.